In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style WordPress contact forms without any coding required. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to enhance the design of your contact forms, this guide will walk you through each step in a simple and effective way. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is where the magic begins. Once you've arrived at the site, find the login button and give it a click. This is your portal to accessing your site's editing features. Next, you'll come across the option to continue with Google. This method is quick and convenient, especially if you already have a Google account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google to streamline your login process. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to associate with the WordPress login. Choose the appropriate account to proceed. Now that you're logged in and ready to make some changes, look to the right panel where you'll find Quick Links. Under these quick links, there's an option to edit site. Click on it to gain access to your website's editing dashboard. Within the editing dashboard, you'll notice a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding various elements to your site, including the contact form. Click on the plus icon to open up a menu panel. In the search bar that appears, simply type in the words contact form and press enter. You'll see contact form appear as an option. Go ahead and click on contact form to insert it into your page. This is where we start styling it to make it truly yours. Navigate over to the settings icon, which might look like a cogwheel, and give it a click. This will bring up additional options in the right hand sidebar. From here, locate and click on the block section. This is where we can begin to refine our contact form even further. Next, click on the style tab within the block settings. Here, WordPress provides you with a range of customizable features that allow you to personalize your form to match your site's aesthetic and functionality. This is your opportunity to choose your form styles, play around with the colors, and adjust the sizing to fit seamlessly with the rest of your website. You will find options for various styles, allowing you to tweak the appearance until it's just right for your needs. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and perhaps a bit of creative inspiration, you can have a beautifully styled WordPress contact form that enhances your site's interaction with visitors. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.